What's going on? It's Mike. I'm back again with another video. Today we're going to be looking at a Jax Wax mystery box. They just ran a sale last week. I think for 150 bucks you get $250 worth of product. It's a pretty heavy box. If I can see, it was 22 pounds in this small box. It's pretty heavy, so there's some good stuff in there. And we're about to open it up and see what we got. Oh wow. Well, right off the bat, so get rid of some paper. Man, there's a lot of stuff in here. I do like these type of applicators. Got applicator, got some towels. Oh, we got good ones too, I think, here. I think this is their big drying towel. It is. This thing's nice. I already have one of these towels already. They're freaking fabulous towels. Great for drying. I like this. One of my favorite towels I like using too. Let's see what we got here. Another little towel. Small one, probably a 14 by 14 towel. Oh, and I like these too. These are the waffle fiber towels. They are pretty good for windows. They are pretty good towels. I like that. Let's see here. Put this on my little cart right next to me. See what else we got. All right, let's see what we got. First box I see is the Jax Wax foam cannon. Let's see what it looks like. Oh, it's got a big mouth. I do like that because if you're gonna run a plastic top, at least get the, wow, this is freaking cool. Don't need no instructions. We got this. Whew, this looks freaking fabulous. Oh, you know what? Before I put this together, they did send with some thread tape, plumbing tape, and there's a little weight on the bottom to keep it straight on the bottom. This is freaking nice. It's got the Jax Wax logo in the front. This will go together like so. This will go on. It's got a pretty decent big mouth. Throw like me. So this is cool. I like this little Jax Wax foam cannon. See how easy this is to turn. Oh yeah, really easy to turn. Oh yeah, I like that. I'll put this right down here, so I'm about to thread that up, put it together. I'm gonna add the prices as we go so we know how much we get in value. We're supposed to get $250 worth of product. Lots of sprayers. Oh, a whole lot of sprayers. Uh-oh, I see something in there I like already. I'm excited. I see something. Lots and lots of sprayers. All right, let's see what this is here. A streak-free glass cleaner from Jax Wax. That's cool. Streak-free glass cleaner, spray and wipe clean windows, mirrors, and glass. Wow, there we go. I'll put this off down here on the bottom of the shelf. Let's see, let's grab this. Leather Magic. Which I don't think I have that. And for me to like their leather, it's gotta smell good. Let me open this up. I gotta smell it. Ooh, just like all the other leather cleaners, leather conditioners, smells excellent. Leather Magic. All right, let's see what else we get. We got Odor Control Vanilla. Oh, this could be one of my favorite scents because I like vanilla. When it came down to having the Christmas trees back in the day, vanilla was my favorite. Oh man, that smells actually really, really good. Spray a little bit up in your cabin filter, turn on your AC, let it run for a few minutes. Whew, it's gonna smell great. I'm just gonna peek this out. What do we got? Big old cannon of soap. 3 to 5 ounces. Foam cannons of cannon soap to your foam cannon. Wow, that's cool. Lots of soap for that new foam cannon. That's gonna be awesome. I like that. Let's see, what else we got? Total Interior. It's actually a pretty good spray for interior products. I don't think it'll work on your screens, but it will work on pretty much everything else. Let me see. It says Total Interior works great on the seat, door panels, dash, consoles, sill plates, steering wheels, and other vinyl plastic surfaces. Not only will it clean your interior, but it's an odor encapsulation technology. So it does not give you your screens, which I don't think you can use this on your screen, so I wouldn't recommend it. But Total Interior, that actually probably does work pretty good. Oh man, I almost bought some of these the other day. Wheel guards. This is perfect. You put them right on the tire and the hose spins around so they don't get stuck on your tire. I literally almost bought some of these the other day. Oh man, I don't have any of these. This was freaking cool. That's why I like getting these mystery boxes. Stuff I never used before. Spray and Seal. It's a pretty good product. I've never used it. I think I do have a bottle of it already. I do. Oh, I guess I have used it because it's half empty. It's a dry application on clean, dry vehicles. Spray Jax Wax spray and seal onto the surface using the plush microfiber towel. Wet product into the surface, buff to a high gloss shine. So this is basically keeping it up on your clean vehicle. Nice. Then we got Body Shine Detail Spray. Wow, this might be new, I'm not sure. This says mist body shine onto a 2 foot by 2 foot area of the vehicles. It's a clay bar lube. Stretch the clay bar until roughly the size of your palm. So this is clay bar lube, because that's how it's describing it in the back. Cool. I just bought a Subaru WRX. All I've done is washed it. It definitely needs to be clay bar. I can feel the roughness. So next weekend is coming up. Maybe I'll have to, I know I got to clay bar it. I'll have to try that out. Let's see what we got here. The HD tire wheel cleaner. I actually tried it once. I didn't like it, but it works really, really well. That I ended up buying it again on Amazon. This stuff works really well. It's probably one of my top 3 with the Ethos tire wheel cleaner, and then just regular straight super clean. This would probably be my 3rd favorite. It stuff works really, really well. It cleans really good. The only thing I don't like about it, it just slings when you spray. That's the only thing I don't like. But for cleaning power, it's excellent. Super Blue. Super Blue is for spray Super Blue onto a foam tire dressing applicator and wipe. It's a solvent based, if I remember. It is solvent based. So this is great for wintertime, which we're in the middle of summer, so maybe fall would be good for there. And it is pretty bright. I don't like doing, most of my rims on my cars are always black, so I don't like doing a shine with a black rim on a black tire. I like doing it like on a chrome tire, on a chrome rim. Then I'll shine the tire, but I'm more like the matte finish. But it could be great for the winter because it'll last a little bit longer being solvent based. Carpet and fabric. I think I tried this once. I just sprayed and cleaned, and I used my extractor. It actually performed really well, and I think I just ran out of the lightning fast. I used chemical gas lightning fast. I think I just ran out, so this could be in my next 2-gallon bucket. Carpet and fabric. It actually works pretty good. I've used it before. SiO2 Waterless. I'm not a Waterless fan. I like the foam, but gotta have a look. I can see it's been sitting there for a while, so it's gotta be stirred up pretty well. But let's see. Work from top to bottom, gently wipe away dirt and debris. This would probably be good for in-between wash. I'm not really a waterless guy. I do like the foam and suds, especially if you give me a foam cannon. It's pretty sweet. I'm gonna try it. And we got an IK sprayer, which probably one of these nozzles will go on there. I gotta see which one would probably be. This one is the only one that's different. Might be this one. So we got an IK sprayer. That's cool. I got the IK pump foam. Where do I have that at? I have it here somewhere. It's close by too, I know it is. But I use that on the tires. Just foams up. I put super clean in there. Sometimes I'll put some PNS in there with it. Let's see what else we got. Oh, we got 2 more things. Tire brush. Can't have enough tire brushes. I got like 6 of them now. But stiff. It's perfect for tires. And we got one more bottle. We got one more of these caps. And we got Jax Unlimited. Jax Ultimate. Make sure the wheels are clean and cool to the touch. The surface can be wet or dry. Spray a heavy amount of Jax Wax wheel cleaner onto the wheel. Include the barrel. Oh, I guess it's a tire dressing, I guess. It is. Okay, it says right here. Jax Ultimate Wheel Cleaner is a pH balanced wheel cleaner that is safe for most wheels. That's cool. Got 2 different. I've never tried this one. I've always used their HD. I've always used this one. But I'll try it because I'm doing wheels off this weekend on the WRX, on the Subaru. I think that's it. Let me see what else we got. We got a thank you card and Team Jax Wax sticker. That's pretty cool. I like stickers. This says thank you. We just want to take the time to tell you that we appreciate your order. Here's Jax Wax. We have an ultimate brand of 2 core principles: treating people right and putting quality first, no matter what. When you truly make premium products, word of mouth is the strongest marketing tool, and none of that would be possible without you. So we want to express our gratitude and thank you for trusting us in all your car needs. I personally like glove box for my mystery boxes, but when specials come up, like on Jax Wax ones, I'll grab one every once in a while. I think I'll grab one like once a year from Jax Wax. I think Chemical Guys, I'll grab 1 or 2. Adams, I'll grab a couple. Actually, my wife hijacked my cart once. She likes it. I might, when they go back on sale again, get me one of them foldable carts again, and I'll have 2 of them. I do want one. So if you like watching detailing videos, product reviews, how-to videos, hit that subscribe button down below. Give me a thumbs up. In the comments below, tell me which product did you like the best in this package. It's a lot of great stuff in here. I like everything. For me, my favorite's going to be foam cannon. Can't wait to try it. And then my number 2 favorite is going to be the wheel guards. Those are my 2 favorites right there. So if you like watching live streams also on the weekends, so hit that subscribe button, thumbs up, give me a comment down below, and I'll see you next time.